Hey guys, Retro Badger here. So in this video I want to find out if the Armoured Voyager can fly inside a starbase, blow it up and survive the explosion. Just to make things interesting though, I'm going to put 4 starbases against the Armoured Voyager. So this should be interesting. I thought I'd make it a bit fairer for the starbases because I think I know what's going to happen, at least with the torpedoes. We should be able to take out... Ooh. Although don't underestimate a starbase. Look at that. Just going to be doing this from a distance.
Target hull integrity at 75%.
Apparently they have ablative armor, the starbases, or an ablative alloy according to the description. That makes sense, as they are kind of a bit of a sitting duck.
Target's hull has been breached, Captain.
There goes starbase number 1. Now I think about it, how big is the explosion going to... Whoa!
Sir, our starboard shield is failed.
Pretty big. Is the answer to that?
Sir, our starboard shield has failed. Target hull integrity at 50%.
Bye-bye, starbase number 2. Oh, I hope I'm not too close to that one. We'll see the explosion probably in a sec. No. Oh, that's lucky. Yeah, my plan is to fly inside one and blow it up from the inside. Fact, why don't we wait to this one? Think we'll survive? In the Kobayashi Maru mod, you have a chance of surviving. We're in the Armoured Voyager, so you would think we'd be alright, but it is a starbase for crying out loud. Uh-oh.
Ventral shields have failed.
Right. Don't... Oh, no. I just collided. I failed my driving test again. Right. Oh, here we go. So we're inside the starbase.
Shields are at 50%.
You gonna let me fire? Oh. There we go. Oh, don't go backwards.
Shields are at 50%.
Who's piloting this thing?
Target hull integrity at 75%.
Can't see. Uh-oh. We got some collisions going on here.
Shields are at 50%.
I'm trying to rotate. Ah, here we go.
Target's hull has been
We almost have them now.
Shields are at 50%.
There we go. Are we gonna survive? No! Really?
Simulated enemy ship has been destroyed.
Alright, well, guess the Armoured Voyager's armour isn't indestructible then. I think that's probably about right. What do you guys think? I mean, it is a starbase after all. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.